While staging for a living room, you want to identify your main focal point. In some cases, it would be a fireplace. In this case, it's going to be the entertainment center. Here we'll put a high-end entertainment stand, some modern art that reflects the style of the house. Across from the entertainment center, we're going to put a sofa, some side chairs, some accent tables, a rug, and a coffee table, so buyers can really picture themselves living in this space. The most important thing when you're trying to hang artwork is it's important to measure a couple times if you're unsure, because the more nail holes you're putting in the wall, you might be adding to some objections when people are walking through. When we're appealing to the high-end buyer, we want to concentrate on specific colors that might be appealing. Grays are always a great thing to consider. It's very trendy right now, but it's also neutral that will work in almost any space.
Thanks for stopping by to learn more about this great property here on Mangum Street. To learn more about the property or see about other homes I have for sale in the Atlanta Metro, visit my website at therealestatemaven.net or give me a call at 678-929-8330 to book your tour for this home today. To learn more about real estate and homes I have for sale, you can watch my dedicated YouTube show at ilovemableton.com. Thanks for watching.